Hello everyone, I am Charanjit here from California Public School. Welcome to my class. I hope you are safe and healthy at your home. Students, we are going to start our second chapter, that is spreadsheet, formulas and functions. In this chapter, we will learn the basics of formulas and functions and how they can be used in different situations. What are the formulas? These are user-defined instructions to perform calculations. And what are the functions? Functions are predefined or built-in formulas that come with Excel. That we can only use that. No need to create the functions. Okay, so let's start with formulas. Formulas are used to perform calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and many more calculation. And it establishes a relationship between two or more cells. It makes the relationship between more than one cell, and it is used for simple as well as complex calculation. Here is a note that formula must begin with equal to symbol. We have to start the formula with equal to symbol. There are some terms that are used when we are creating our formulas in Excel. Range of cells that we want to include in calculation. How many cells we use in calculation, that is references. Operators, it specify the operation like plus, minus, multiply, division. These are the symbols that are used to operate on data. Constants, a value that cannot be changed like 5, 10, any value that cannot be changed, that is called constant. And what are the functions? These are predefined formulas. Okay, so now our next topic is creating a basic formula in MS Excel. So this is our Microsoft Excel. In this Excel spreadsheet, here this is called spreadsheet. This is sheet 1. You can see this is sheet 2 and this is sheet 3, and we can add more than one sheet according to our choice. Now our basic point is that we will discuss today, that is how we can create the basic formula. So for that we have to write some data so that we can perform calculation. For example, here we write the subject and here we write the marks of particular student. Hindi, English, math, science, Punjabi, computer, SST. Okay, so here we write the marks which you have obtained in Hindi. For example, out of 100 it is 70, it is 56, 67, 88, 59, 49, 59. Okay, I just suppose the marks that you have taken in each subject. I want to calculate the total marks that you have obtained. So for that we have to write firstly is equal to sign to create a formula in MS Excel. Then choose this cell. You can see the marquee border on B2 cell, and here B2. Then again plus symbol, we can, because we want to add these cells, so we have to add the plus symbol. Then select the another cell. Again we have to add plus symbol, select the another cell, प्लस. तब तक हमने प्लस किए जाना है जब तक हमें सारे का सारा डेटा जो हमारा प्लस नहीं कर लिया. When we have done, then press the enter only. Look at this. Here is the total of marks that you have obtained in different subjects. Is it clear, friends? Now we are going to discuss about the compound formula. What are the compound formula? These formulas are used when more than one operator is needed to perform calculation. Here we need only plus symbol to add these values, but if we want to calculate the percent of our marks, so how we can? Suppose I want to calculate the percentage, so how we can? Is equal to, and we have to add these marks, B3 add plus symbol, again B4 plus symbol, plus symbol, plus, yes, we have to put the braces around this because after addition it is divided by total number of subjects are 7, so divided by 700 and multiplied by 100, so it calculates your percentage, that is 64. Okay, the formula which contains the more than one operator, here plus symbol as well as division symbol as well as multiplication symbol, so this formula is called compound formula. But in previous formula we use only plus symbol, that is the same, so it is called just simple formula. Okay students, we have done the formulas that are operated on the numbers only. How we can write our formula on text, on characters or strings? For example, if I am writing here any name, suppose welcome, and here I am writing everyone, and I want to concatenate these strings, I want to output like welcome everyone in one cell. So how we can? Write the is equal to, then select this cell, that is A1, and type the AND operator, ampersand operator, then select the second cell B1. Okay, so now press the enter. You can see here welcome everyone, but there is no space between these, but I want the space. For that, how we can use? Suppose I am writing again, how we can add the space between welcome and everyone? Is equal to A1 and again, and how many cells you want to concatenate? You have to add the AND operator for that and press is equal to. See here, I expand it so that it is clear to you. Yes, welcome everyone. Here the one space is between welcome and everyone, but here the no space. When there is no space, then formula is like this, and when we want to add space between this, then we have to add the space that is enclosed within double inverted commas. That's all students. I hope you have cleared all the concepts. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy at your home. Goodbye.